Welcome to my YouTube channel Statisticians Club. I hope everyone is fine. Please subscribe the channel. Also press bell icon to receive latest video. Today in this video we solve MCQs about non-parametric test part 2. Let's start. Wilcoxon signed rank test was proposed in 1945 by Frank Wilcoxon. Non-parametric test which take magnitude of difference between paired comparison. Wilcoxon signed rank test is used to calculate magnitude of difference between paired comparison. Non-parametric test applied to paired differences. Assumption of normality suspect. When assumption of normality is suspected, we use non-parametric test for paired differences. Otherwise, we use t-test. The use of magnitude of difference between paired comparison. Wilcoxon signed rank test is more powerful than sign test because it takes the difference of magnitude. So it is the most powerful than sign test. The test statistics denoted by T in Wilcoxon signed rank test is based on smaller sum of ranks with sign ignored. Test statistic T for Wilcoxon signed rank test is approximately normally distributed with mean mu t is equal to n into n plus 1 by 4 and standard deviation and root n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 over 24 when small is greater than 25. If small n is less than 25, then we use test statistics T, and when it is greater than 25, then Wilcoxon signed rank test approaches to normal distribution, and we use normal distribution with mean and this standard deviation. Wilcoxon signed rank test consider the difference xi minus m naught by the way of signs and magnitude both. In Wilcoxon signed rank test we consider sign and magnitude both, and in sign test we simply consider the signs. Kolmogorov-Smirnov test is based on theorem Galilenko-Cantilli. Kolmogorov-Smirnov test is useful as all these three. A test is goodness of fit, a test of identicalness of two population, a measure of confidence band. We use Kolmogorov-Smirnov test for all these three purposes. Kolmogorov-Smirnov test is one tail, two tail. One tail means we have left tail or right tail, so both tails will be used in Kolmogorov test and two-sided test as well. Wilcoxon rank sum test is used when samples are independent, two samples have different sizes. Test statistics of Wilcoxon rank sum test is R. Wilcoxon rank sum test statistic constitute sum of ranks assigned to the observations of smaller samples. In Wilcoxon rank sum test statistics R is used for when n is less than 10. Wilcoxon rank sum test statistics R is approximately normally distributed when n exceeds 10 and its mean n1 into n1 plus n2 plus 1 by 2. Wilcoxon rank sum test has statistics R, and it and this test approaches to normal distribution when its n exceed 10, and then the mean of Wilcoxon rank sum test is n into n plus n1 into n1 plus n2 plus 1 by 2. And for same condition, standard deviation of Wilcoxon rank sum test is under root n1 n2 into n1 plus n2 plus 1 by 12. Wilcoxon rank sum test statistic R is approximately normally distributed when n exceeds 10. Then its test statistic is z is equal to r minus mu r over sigma r. Mann-Whitney U test is a non-parametric test and it is alternative to parametric test. Student 2 sample t test. Test statistics for Mann-Whitney U test is U. Test statistic for Mann-Whitney test is U is equal to minimum U1 U2, where U1 is N1 N2 plus N1 into N1 plus 1 by 2 minus R1. U2 is equal to N1 N2 plus N2 into N2 plus 1 by 2 minus R2. The test statistic U is used for Mann-Whitney U test. N1 and N2 less than 8. When N1 and N2 both are greater than 8, the test statistic U is approximately normally distributed and its mean is mu r is equal to N1 N2 by 2. When N1 and N2 both are greater than 8, the statistic U is approximately normally distributed and its variance is under root N1 N2 into N1 plus N2 plus 1 by 12. The criteria for judging the relative performance of two tests are asymptotic relative efficiency, power of efficiency. These two criteria are used to judge or to check the relative performance of two tests. Asymptotic relative efficiency is also known as Pitman's efficiency. Beside ARE, another measure for comparison the relative performance of two tests is power efficiency. Of the below non-parametric test, which relies on the calculation of ranks, all above Mann-Whitney U test, Spearman-Rao, Wilcoxon. These all tests are based on ranks. Test which is calculated by ranking all the participants' scores from lowest to highest and adding up ranks separately for each condition. We perform all these experiments in Mann-Whitney U test. We rank in Mann-Whitney U test. We rank the first of all, if we have two groups A and B, we arrange the observation of both groups in ascending order, and then we assign ranks to the observations, and after assigning ranks we separately add the ranks of each group, observation A groups and observation B groups. So this whole procedure can be done in Mann-Whitney U test. When ranking data in Wilcoxon sign rank test, the data that receive a rank of 1 is lowest value. Under what circumstances would you use a non-parametric test? When data does not meet the assumptions for a parametric test. ASL stands for asymptotic significance level. Formula for Kruskal-Wallis based upon means of ranks. The statistics to be used to check significance of Kruskal-Wallis test chi-square. What symbol used to represent the statistic resulting from Kruskal-Wallis analysis completed by hand H? Which of the following tests would you use to assess whether there is significant difference between the mean ranks of two conditions? Wilcoxon. You have carried out a Kruskal-Wallis test. There are significant difference between the three groups you are testing. How might you conduct your pairwise comparison? By using Mann-Whitney test. A non-parametric version of parametric analysis of variance is Kruskal-Wallis test. On a teacher evaluation from students are asked to rate their professor's performance as excellent, very good, good and poor. This is example of ordinal scale. If you achieve a p-value of 0.04 on a two-tail test, what would the equivalent one-tail p-value 0.02? The same ranks assigned to different units are called tied ranks. Most frequently used method of breaking the ties is mid-rank. Mid-rank method is mostly used to break the ties. When observations are arranged in ascending or descending order, they are said order statistics. The probability function of order statistics is not the same as the original variable. All observations in adder statistics are dependent because they are arranged in ascending or descending order, so they are considered to be dependent. Kolmogorov-Smirnov statistics can be used to determine sample size and confidence band. Ordinary sign test is based on signs of deviation from median. Run test is a test of randomness. If we want to check the randomness of the data, we use run test. Too many runs are indicative, non-random test. If any data set constitute too many runs, then this is the sign of non-randomness presence in the data. Too few runs are indicative of non-randomness. Any set pattern of symbols in a sequence shows lack of randomness. Kolmogorov-Smirnov test for two samples is based on distance between two empirical distributions. When we have two empirical distributions and the difference or distance between these two distributions is the test statistics of Kolmogorov-Smirnov test. Kolmogorov-Smirnov test for two samples is based on distance. Thanks for watching. If you want to see videos on non-parametric part 1, analysis of variance, MCQs about analysis of variance part 1, testing of hypothesis part 1 and part 2, click on the link in front of your screen. Thanks for watching.